Are you ready to showcase your skills and stand out in style? Whether you're an artist, designer, writer, entrepreneur, having a professional portfolio is a must. And Canva makes it easier than ever. With its free templates and drag and drop features, you can create a polished portfolio that reflects your unique style and achievements in no time. No design experience? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your own professional portfolio step by step without spending a dime. Like and subscribe for more Canva hacks, and let's get your portfolio looking top notch today. So, since Canva has recently added a website feature, let's choose and here this website in order to create our own portfolio. Now that we have views in here the website design, what we can do next is we can head over and just see in here that we have in here a blank page. So what we can do is we can head over to the design and go over to the templates and search in here for website templates. For example, right here, let's search in here for portfolio website. Now you should be able to see in here this portfolios. So just head over and choose in here a portfolio design that you would want. For example, for me, I'll choose in here this creative portfolio that I can see right here, or you can also choose another one that you think is much more easier to the eye. So I'll just choose it here this, and then this pages right here will be added. You can also change right here the color or the template style. So you can click on this template style right here and you can shuffle it all together. I'll click on apply all 8 pages right here, and then those 8 pages will be applied into my design. So now those are all applied. We have in here this page, and all of these things right here. So what we can do is we can just customize it into our own liking. So since I am not Francois Master, I need to edit this part. So for example, let's put in here our name. Let me just put in here Tiara C, and you can just input right here your own status. So if you're a photographer, then don't need to change that anymore. So since I'm a graphic designer, I'll just put in here graphic designer. So let's put that right there. And we also need to change up something like this. And now we have in here this year. So you just need to choose in here the year that you're active. So I'm active right here since 2022. And let's change 2025 into present. Because if we choose 2025 and it's already 2026, then we won't have any more credibility with this template. Now we just need to change up the things that we have right here. So for example, we have here this image. Let's change the image that we have. Let's go to elements and then let's search in here for graphic. Now it should be able to see in here some graphics that you can choose from. So it can be a social media graphic or anything that you want. So if you're designing something on social media, you can use those photos right there. So let's click onto this image and then let's long press on it and then drop it right here. And now it's really easy. It's just drag and drop. Let's continue to do that onto the next picture in here as well. So let's click onto this social media and let's drop it right here. Now as you can see, it's been added. Now if you think if it's not proportional, you can long press or double click on it and then just assign its actual placement. And then from there, click on that. Now, as you can see, this one is actually curved and this is not. So in order to make this curve, you can click onto that image. And then you can see in here this corner rounding. So click on that and let's apply in here a corner rounding as well in order to make this like this one. Now in here, let's change up our background as well. We have in here a background. Just click on your background and click onto this background color and change the color that you would want to use onto your website. So for me, I'll choose something different. So you can make it white, you can make it black, you can make it gray. So for this one, I'll choose in here something solid like a pinkish hue. So I'll just choose in here one. I'll choose this one. And then once you have chosen this, we need to apply this in all of the pages of our website. So this one is pink, the next one is not. So let's look onto this change all right here in order to change what it looks like. So this is what our website looks like right now with the pink background. And now you can see in here this says that I'm a product and concept photographer. So let's change that. So let's make this I'm a graphic designer. So just input right here what you want. And you can also add some more elements if you would want as well. Just head over to elements and go over to your graphics. And then just choose in here the graphics that you would want. So for example, let's click onto this right here. And then let's also change up what it looks like if you would want. But if you don't, just position it wherever you want it added. Now let's head over to our next page. We have in here the About Me page. So as you can see, this is not me. So let's change that up. You can just go over right here to your uploads and click onto this upload an image or video. And then just choose in here the actual image that you would want to use. You can head over it right here to your picture and then just add in here your own self in order to add it all together from in here. So just add your picture and click on open and just continue adding them. So as you can see, we have now added the pictures. So what we can do is we can click on this right here and then just drag and drop in here again in order to add those. You can double click it in order to adjust its position right here and click on done. Now let's change up what we want right here on the about me. So since it's actually not me, what you can do is you can input right here what we want to in order to describe ourselves. So take note, Canva already have in here the magic, right? So you can also utilize it to your liking. Let's click onto this right there and click onto this right here. Just choosing here the custom prompt and then let's change it into graphic designer. So let's put in here graphic designer about me and then from in there click onto this generate option. And once I have done that, this will generate something like this. So let's click onto this add below if we want. And as you can see, it will be added. You can head over and then click onto the Control X in order to remove it. And then click onto the Control V in order to add it right here. You can also trim some parts if you would want to. I'll trim this part right here. And as you can see, we have now our About Me description. Now, the next thing is the actual portfolio. We need to input right here our work. So in here, does this person actually put in here the creative art brand Mixeria as they debuted a new concept. So you can head over and then input the same thing in here for yourself. So for example, let's put in here a template. So let's head over right here to our uploads. Click on upload an image or video. And then let's upload right here an image or video. So for example, for this one, let's head over and then just choose in here one that we would want. For example, we decide in here a product. You can head over and then add those right here and click on open. So we have now added in here these two products. So what you can do is you can have the option to remove the background for that. Click on the product and click onto the speech remover and then the actual background will be removed. Now for this one, we can head over and then click onto this particular product right here and then just drag it right there. Now let's remove this one and click onto this trash can icon and then let's add in here this product in order to symbolize it. Now let's change in here this one. So for example, let's put in here product launch for a client. So let's for example put that and then input right here the description. Just you can utilize also the magic right for that. Just click onto this magic right option. Then scroll down and click on custom prompt and then add in here product launch and click on generate. Now this will generate that. So what we can do right here is we can actually make this smaller since it's actually very long. So let's head over and then click on this but shorter. Click on generate and then it will give you this. So you can just head over and then use this right here if you would want. Now you can also event or launch the outline for this one. Now for this, just add it right here. And as you can see, it's now been added like that. Now for this, you can just continue putting right here all of the works that you have created. And then once you have inputted right here, just input right here your contact me page. Put in here your address, your email, as well as your phone number. Once you have done that, you can click onto this publish website right here. And then click on this publish website option in order to publish it and have your own URL. So once you have done that, it should be able to give you in here your own website that is also functioning as actual portfolio for yourself. If you want to preview it, you can click on this view website option right here in order to view the website that you have just created. Oh, by the way, I have inputted right there a little something on the description because why start from scratch when you can hit the ground running with the link that we have given? So I have given the a link below of something of a free template that you can use, easy to edit, customizable, and perfect for your next project. Whether you're creating a portfolio or just a simple graphic design, then you can utilize that link right there. Also, we have a lot of tutorials about Canva, so you can head over and then just visit our channel in order to see that playlist. We also have a lot of videos like how to create a website or the likes, or you can also use to create your own planner if you would want to. Just see those particular videos in order to learn more about Canva. So if you're interested into this kinds of thing, you can head over and click onto that subscribe button, and you can also like this video as well. See you again soon.